How to add your Facebook to your profile on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add it to your profile. First open Udemy, and once you're here, all you need to do just click on your profile here in the top corner, and now scroll down, and as you see here, you will find the Facebook profile. Click on it and then type your Facebook username here, or your full name, and that's it. Just type it and then click save, and that's it. Your changes have been successfully saved, and then it means that all you need to do is just to go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.